Ooh, look, boys.
Lots of them.
I wonder if they like hiccups.
I'm sure. I wonder what the statistics are. Like 1 in 5 or 1 in 8 that like hiccups.
I think a cute girl wearing a knee bikini would end up being something that they would be. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
I could turn it into a fetish.
Whatever it is, you will like it. God damn it.
I'll make you. I'll hiccup you to death if not. I'll pass them on. It is contagious.
Kind of like yawning. Yawning is contagious.
You're gonna catch it.
I place you under my hiccup spell.
You know what I found eating that helps out with hiccups? I don't know if it has anything to do with your diaphragm and what it could be doing to it, but it's sour. It's and sweet.
Like the sour heads?
Banana peppers.
Ah.
They're sour, spicy, and sweet. So I guess all that combined, the
So
vinegar.
it's the spicy thing.
My mouth is watering now.
Talking about the peppers.
Yeah. Well, too bad thinking about it doesn't do it.
Can we go to the elevator?
Yeah.
Or you want to walk through here? Let's walk through here and see.
Pretty. Let's go in the jungle and hiccup.
It's really loud over here.
Yeah, it really is. Do they have any fish?
Nope. No fish? You just want to eat live goldfish, don't you?
I bet that would make your diaphragm blow back up again. Fish! Oh, wow. Christmas tree! Tree!
It makes your whole stomach move when you do that. It doesn't do it when you watch it. You must tighten it up or something when you look down.
You gotta stop when you come.
You can't do two things at once.
I wonder why hiccups sometimes will come in different spurts. Like it'll go really fast and it'll be really slow.
Yeah.